Check this out. Check this out.
I am Menny Lindenfeld. Welcome to Tornimation. You tear a card, heel it back together, then mysteriously cause that part to slide across the card while connected, ending with an impossible object that the spectator will keep forever. Say stop whenever you want.
Stop.
Here?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna cut right here. This is the card that you have chosen. Okay, this piece is the piece that we don't need, so we're just gonna toss it away. And we are going to use this piece. Sign your name across right there. Okay, and then take the marker, close it please. I'm just going to tear these two pieces. All right, let me try to do something with these two pieces, and I'm gonna try to connect them like this. And as you can see, it's connected now. Yes?
Yeah.
Now look, I'm snapping my finger and it starts to move. You can actually see that moving up there, moving up there, moving up there, and it's still connected. As you can see, you can see that this part is actually connected to this part, and you can see the crease right here, and you can even see the signature right here, and you can keep this as a souvenir.
How'd you get it? That was incredible.
With no magnets, no threads, and once you open the box, you'll be ready to perform within minutes. Tear, heal, animate, Tornimation.